Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your laptop freezes. So this laptop is generally alright, but if your laptop is frozen, then first we have to detect whether it's frozen partially or fully, and to do this, let's pretend that this program is causing, this browser is causing the laptop to freeze. What we have to do is use the combination of Ctrl Alt Delete buttons at the same time. Press them all like this, and if this menu appeared on your screen, that means that your laptop is frozen partially and it can be unfreezed without turning off. To do this, click Task Manager, select the program that is causing your laptop to freeze. Right click on it and click End Task. This will close the program and your laptop will be working normally again. But if nothing happens when you use that combination, that means that your laptop is frozen fully, and in such case you'll have to force restart your device. And to do this, press and hold the power button for about 15 seconds until it starts rebooting. Keep holding it. If your screen turned off, that's actually great. That's a sign that you can reboot it easily. Okay, let's release the button and wait for the laptop to turn on again. But if your screen didn't go off and your laptop didn't start rebooting as mine, then the only solution to this problem would be unplugging the charging cable from your device like this and leaving it to discharge. It might take hours, but unfortunately this would be the only way in your case. And once your laptop discharges, you can plug in the charging cable again and try turning it on in a while once it charges a little. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.